Hey lovely people, welcome back to Quinty's Kitchen. I am Quinty and here I make videos on food, cooking and kitchen. If you're watching my video for the very first time, you're warmly welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. So today I will be showing you guys how to make Accra banana, or basically African banana fritters. So these are basically fritters where we use ground cassava. So it's traditionally made from ground cassava mixed with banana, a little bit of sugar, but you don't need sugar because you need overripe banana. So to get the best of this recipe, you need overripe banana. Here we have overripe bananas. For this recipe, it is advised to use overripe bananas because you don't necessarily need sugar. But since I'm using Garri for this recipe, I'm going to use some sugar. Actually, as you can see on the title, this is Accra banana using Garri. Like, guys, being away from home, being abroad, sometimes we have to improvise. So let's go ahead and measure our ingredients. We have this 1 cup. I'm measuring my Garri, 2 cups, 3 cups, and that gave me 440 grams of Garri. So altogether 3 cups of Garri, 1 sachet of yeast, and 80 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So first thing is to mash your bananas. Mash your bananas very well, and then guys, just keep watching.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So yeah, when it's dark brown, you have to take it out of the oil. So that's the ideal color for Accra banana. It's really, really delicious when eaten with African pepper sauce. So guys, let me know what you think about this video, making Accra banana with just Garri. Like the consistency, the taste, everything was just on point. You see that it's soft, it's not so tender, it's also crunchy on the outside and super soft on the inside. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Yeah, I cook all types of dishes, inspirations, Western meal, African dishes, Caribbean, whatever meal I get my hands on, because I like to try different recipes. I also like to create my own recipes. So give this video a thumbs up, click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be the first to get notified. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.